So hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss our voyage hack 2.0 problem statement number 1. So basically our problem is improve our hotel search experience. So basically at TBO.com, improving the hotel search experience is a key objective to enhance user satisfaction and engagement. So basically by integrating advanced technologies is and the user-centric design, we aim to simplify and personalize the search progress. So basically, our core elements for driving this improvement is voice search, messenger assistance, image search, personalized assistance, and basically the user-friendly interface. So basically, in voice search, we are you going to use the natural language processing, the NLP. Okay? In messenger assistance, we are going to use the chatbots, such as those powered by Intercom, which provide user with intermediate and immediate responses and assistance. And the image search, we are going to use image recognition models which are powered by TensorFlow and AWS. So which will basically allow users to search for hotels based on images. Then for personalized assistance, we are going to use the technology of AI driven and virtual assistants, which are basically designed to offer tailored recommendation based on user preferences and past behaviors. And now the user-friendly interface, here the platform incorporates the intuitive interface that prioritizes easy navigation, making it simple to browse and filter. So basically, the potential impact for this is our improved accessibility, seamless user flow, enhanced trust and credibility, increased engagement, and branch is a differentiation. So in this, the UI UX design will impact the user in 5 ways. Basically, it will improve the accessibility, seamless user flow, enhance trust and credibility, and increase engagement and branch and differentiation. So basically, this will run in a circular form. Okay, so this will basically run in a circular form, and these are our 5 elements, and which will be improved by our UI UX design. So time efficiency. So which will time efficiency will enhance the customer satisfaction, making user more likely to choose TBO. Basically, the efficiency will increase as there is voice-based searches. Okay, there are voice-based searches, image-based searches, reduce search time, improve planning efficiency, and enhance multitasking and real-time assistance. So basically, we are going to get over five real-time assistance over here. So which will expand our runtime time or real-time result. So which will have a growth in the TBO.com website. So basically, it will attract the global audience and it will provide a more or greater and greater accessibility through mobile and desktop platform. Basically, it will also increase the adoption in the B2B markets, increasing the monetization policies of our website. Basically, the uh, UI design impacts also on the higher conversion rates, which will increase the post-search support. It will enhance the trust and the confidence of the stakeholders. It will enhance in the faster decision making and increase booking success. So basically, the search. Okay, the voice search in the technical implementation and feasibility over here, here it gives uses the technology of NLP as we have discussed. So we have to train in the travel specific models and support the which will support all kinds of languages for the multiple language users. So and the feasibility. The feasibility of this voice search command is high and it will use mature frameworks of Google Dialogflow and OpenAI, which are easily available to the users. Then the messenger assistance. Messenger assistant uses the technology of chatbots. Basically, the steps are to build the flows and enable live agents, which will refine the machine learning in models over there with the help of deep learning in syntax flow. So the feasibility for this is the medium scalable with existing tools like Twilio and Intercom. Then comes the image search. The image search uses the technology of TensorFlow and AWS recognition. So basically, we have to train the vision models, match themes, and integrate databases, which comes under the concept of the deep learning models, which will use the pixel art. Basically, the feasibility for this is medium high, which will depend on the data quality. Then comes the backend. Backend is requiring the AWS Google API along with the React and Flutter over here, or we can say we can use Flask or Django over here for the backend technology and the database management over here. So the feasibility is very high with a strong architecture of Python development. Then the innovative approach comes over here. So basically, in the innovative approach, are bringing the voice search, image-based search, personalized assistance, and user-friendly interface. These are the four innovative approaches are going to bring in our website. The website is it consists of the voice search, which will leverage the advanced speech recognition technology to deliver accurate results in real time using AI-driven natural language processing. Basically, it will be multilingual help support to connect with users on worldwide. For example, this is our world. This is our world. So it will connect all kinds of users us all over the world. It will connect all kinds of users all over the world over here. So basically, it will give is a good kind of customer support and the user experience. Then comes the image-based search. For example, if a person wants to reach out to a destination and he doesn't know what is the name, so he will just put out the image of the destination in the search bar, and then the TBO.com website will give him the name of the destination and also the places which he can visit over there. Then comes the personalized assistance, which is an AI-driven virtual assistant which will give the recommendation based on the user preference and his behavior. Like he wants to visit where his traveled destination is. Okay, and then it will provide a simplified and seamless support for the question and answers, bookings and smart suggestions. Basically, it will going to help the user with a very high personality development software. Then comes the user-friendly interface. Our interface is going to be a very user-friendly. Our interface is going to a very user-friendly and a high responsive, which will be used on all kinds of devices like tablets, mobiles, laptops, computers. It will provide a high kind of user experience in all kinds of devices. Also, it will consist of an intuitive navigation, image upload and recognition, and quick intuitive across devices. So basically, we are gonna use a very high kind of database, very high priority images, is image recognition software, or we can say NLP, like convolutional neural networking. So basically, it will give the user more and more precise results for his questions. And basically, if he put any kind of images in the search command, it will find out the place, or we can say the hotel, or the place the user want to visit. So basically, the design will be very much accessible with features like voice commands and screen reader compatibility, which will be accessible for all kinds of user with some people with disabilities. So it will be also be a multilingual, like people with all around the world will be able to use that website. Then comes the adoption risk. There in every website there comes some risk also, like privacy concerns, security validation, market demand, and scalability. The privacy concerns are like users are increasingly concerned about how their personal data is collected and used. Like some of the websites are failed to comply with data protection laws like GDPR and CCPA. So, which will lead to legal issues. But our website will not lead to any kind of privacy concern. We will implement our clear privacy policies, ensure encryption of sensitive data, and conduct regular compliance audits. Then comes the security validation. Vulnerabilities comes in all kinds of websites like cyber attacks, data breaches, and weak security measures can erode user trust and result in legal consequences. So basically, we will use a multi-factor authentication, and which will help the user to secure their data and keep the images, or we can say all kinds of information related to the user safely. So basically, we will conduct security audits. We will adopt a high quality encryption protocols and keep the software up to date. Then comes the market demand. If the website doesn't meet a clear market need or is based on poor research, user search. So the user engagement for this website will be low. So we are not gonna perform from the low user engagement and website. Our website will be will provide the user with high experience and high engagement rate. So to ensure the demand, we will conduct thorough market research. Like we will see the market trends and the choices of the users, their FAQs, and the competitor analysis is over there. So which will so this will continuously gather the user feedback, and we will refine our features according to that. Then comes the scalability. The website may struggle with increased traffic and data growth if not designed for scalability. So basically, to avoid such kinds of performance issues like slow load times or downtime, we will use cloud-based infrastructure. So basically, our modular website architecture will be much or optimized and will provide resources for growth and load balancing. So basically, in this we have discussed all kinds of scalability and market demands and the adoption risk and innovative approaches which we can use. So let's one time recall the innovative approach over here: the voice search, image-based search, messenger assistance, personalized assistance, and user-friendly interface. So basically, this is the flowchart which we have created over here. So whenever the we will start over here. First of all, we have to start when a user visits the website, he will start searching the places over here. He can either do the voice search, messenger based search, or the image based search. So the voice search will be using natural language processing NLP. The messenger based search will be using chatbot integration, and the image based search will be using image recognition system. All of the softwares will be deployed and integrated only in one system called the backend system. Then we will deploy the features in a high quality is priority based database and use all kinds of database software like Firebase, which will keep the user data in a secure or format. And then for the better user experience, we will use a feedback loop. So for the feedback loop, we will put some kinds of prices like refer and earn. Like the user who visits many times, we will give him a gift voucher like coupons and travel tickets. Also, we can give the user the refer and win awards. We will keep the prize money for the more number of referrals. So for this, we will put all kinds of features over here. So this was all for our topic over here. So thank you, friends.